how to fix the no sound problem in Brawl Stars. So first things first, just make sure, just go to your settings option in the top right corner button and make sure if your sounds are on. So just do this, boom, your music and sound should now be on. Now if this doesn't work, we can go ahead and go to our cache and search for our apps. You can find the apps section by scrolling down, but you can also just search for it. Over here, we can go to our manage apps section and find the Brawl Stars app. And once we're here, we can go ahead and clear our cache. Make sure not to press the clear all data option, as that may cause a bit of problems for later. So clear cache. Now what this does, it just clears up the unused space or files inside your Brawl Stars, so it should now be a bit lighter than before, you know. Now another way to make sure nothing is wrong, you can go ahead and go to your Play Store and search for Brawl Stars. If there's an update option, then it is very recommended to press on that update button, because being in an outdated version may cause some problems, so make sure to update your game to its latest version. If there's no update option, then that would most likely mean that you're already in the latest version. Now those are ways you can try to fix the no sound problem in Brawl Stars. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.